Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake using cocoa powder. First, let's prepare our dry ingredients. You'll need 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of granulated sugar, and 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Don't forget 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together well in a large bowl. This step is crucial for a consistent cake texture. Now, let's prepare the wet ingredients for our delicious cocoa cake. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Once these are well mixed, gradually add the wet ingredients to your dry mixture, stirring until just combined. The final touch is 1 cup of boiling water, which makes the batter wonderfully thin and pourable, ready for baking. It's time to bake our cake. First, make sure your 9 by 13-inch baking pan is greased and floured to prevent sticking. Carefully pour your thin, chocolatey batter into the prepared pan. Place it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. To check for doneness, simply insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your beautiful cake is ready. Once your cake is out of the oven, let it cool in the pan for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps it firm up before you transfer it. Then, carefully invert the cake onto a wire rack to cool completely. This usually takes at least 1 hour. Once fully cooled, you can frost it with your favorite chocolate frosting or simply dust it with a little extra cocoa powder for a simple, elegant finish. Enjoy your homemade cocoa cake.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.